This is Jason from StatSlog here to show you two new features that have just been released in 5, stock body content and live text. The purpose of these features is to reduce the amount of repetitive typing you have to do for your forms, which will save you time and reduce the chance of errors and omissions. So let's take a look. First, I'll go to a tab that supports forms, in this case instructions, but these new features can be used for any form type. And then I'll just create a new site instruction. And I'll go to form view for that instruction. As you can see, our typical template appears with data pulled in automatically from the project file in these fixed areas. And we also have a blank body content area down here where we can begin to type in our detailed description of the instruction. Oftentimes we have the same few pieces of information that we need to type. For example, section headings like references, description, reasons, or reason. And before the release of the stock body content feature, you'd have to type this same information every time you created a new SI. Now, however, we can type this information in once and then save the text as our stock body text for this type of form. So let me just do a bit more formatting here to make it a more realistic example. Oops. Okay, so once we've got our standard or typical body text typed in, we can right-click the content area, then click More Actions, and finally click Save Current Text as Default Stock Body Text. We'll just be prompted for confirmation, so we'll agree. And that's it. Now when we go to create a new site instruction, we'll see when we go to the new form, our stock body text is automatically pulled into the content area. So that's a real-time saver. Now let's expand on this example by taking a look at the new live text feature. Some of the information that you typically include in your body text is repetitive but variable. For example, each of your documents might include a reason or a list of attachments, but the specific reason and list of attachments will be different for each document that you issue. Before live text, this kind of information would generally be shown on your template in the fixed area, but now you can include it right in the body. To do so, put the cursor where you'd like it to appear, the live text to appear, and then right-click and click Insert Live Text Field. The list of available fields appears, and this is the same searchable list of fields that's available for all your reports and other form templates. And next, you just select the field that you want to insert. In this case, we'll do Reason Title. And as you can see, the data is pulled in automatically from the database. And you can identify the live text by the purple squiggly underline. And the best part of live text is that any changes that we make to the data on the report side, they'll automatically be pulled into the body content, essentially eliminating the chance of errors or omissions. So let's take a look at that. If we go back to our report and change the reason to say authority, and go look at the form, you can see that the reason here has been automatically updated for us. So there's no additional typing, no chance to forget to change it in your form body text. So finally, let's see how we can combine these two new features to save us even more time by reducing the amount of data entry required of us. Taking the current content as an example, which has both static text and live text, we can save it as the stock body content for new forms. And then when we issue a new document, as so, you can see that the stock body text, including the live text field, is automatically inserted into the new document for us. And all we need to do now is just type in the document specific information and we're done. So we hope the stock body content and live tech features help make you more productive, as well as make your contract admin duties a bit easier. Thanks for watching.